Hello everyone. So here's a question. What what does Wix.com require you to start creating your first website? Okay? So the answer is all you need to do is a working account. It could be Gmail account, Facebook account, or Apple iCloud account. Okay, so to begin, so launch your Google Chrome app and type in Wix.com right here. Okay, and it will bring you to this page. So let's get started creating an account. So let's get it started. Click that button. And here are some options to use upon signing up. You can continue with Google, uh, with Facebook account, or for some instances, you can use your Apple Cloud right here. Okay, but uh, I don't know why it doesn't appear here. Okay, so you can enter your email address here, uh, retype it again. Okay, password and password again, retype it, and click sign up. Okay, so if you have finished um, on this part, you'll click this one, sign up. So in my case, I already have an account here, so I'm just going to log in. Okay, so here's how you're going to log in. Just enter your email address here, click continue with email, and the password has been auto filled, and click login again. Okay, and this is where you will begin creating your first website. Okay, so I hope I answered your question on what does Wix.com require to begin creating your new site. So that's your working Gmail account, Facebook account, or Apple iCloud account. So if you do like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.